Hey guys, this is SoulRack333 with another custom review, and here I have a little lamb, and this is a project my wife wanted me to work on. She found this little guy at the Goodwill. It has a missing leg and a missing ear. I went ahead and started repairing this guy, and I've never done this, so I'm gonna give it a shot. And basically what I did was I drilled a little hole here and I glued a little bendy wire there and there, and I bended it to the same shape as the other leg, and then I'm just going to use putty and see what happens, and then try to match the paint. So we'll see how this goes. And here he is, finished. He now has a leg and ear, and basically I used the standard milliput, hello Yoda, and the 2-in-1 putty, and made just the right amount to make the leg and ear. This is my first attempt at sculpting, and luckily the way the lamb is designed doesn't have to be perfect. So, and then I used a little white paint and tan paint and dry brushed a little bit to at least try to make it match the rest of it. So there he is, and to the Nativity he goes.